In this video, you will learn how to remove TurboTax Premium Service. First, open and continue your return. Log into your TurboTax account and open your current tax return. This will take you to the main screen where you can manage your return. Go to the final steps. Click on the file in the left-hand menu. This will bring you to the section where you can review payment options just before filing. Revisit payment options. Click revisit next to the option, and that says you'll choose to deduct TurboTax fees from your federal refund. This is where the premium service is typically added. Remove the premium services. Scroll through the premium service benefits section, then click remove. This step will remove the bundle, which includes extra features, Audit Defense, and ID protection. Choose a payment method. On the next screen, choose remove pay with card. Tell TurboTax you'll pay fees directly instead of using your tax refund. Confirm and pay. Select pay now when prompted and enter your credit or debit card information. This will finalize the removal and ensure your return continued without the premium services. Now you know how to delete TurboTax Premium Services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.